Speaking to the media after the cabinet meeting, the Meghalaya Health and Family Welfare Minister A.L. Hek informed that the cabinet in its meeting held today has decided to allow taxis and autos in East Khasi Hills district to begin plying from the 28th of this month. He added that only 30% of the vehicles will be allowed to ply in other districts. Drivers are to prominently display their names and vaccination status on the windshields of their vehicles.
From Monday onwards, the public transports, that is only the local taxis and auto rickshaw, the buses will not allow. Only the local taxis and the auto rickshaw, the public transport of 15% in Shillong will be allowed, but they have to display the certificate or the test reports or the vaccine, whether they are vaccinated or not vaccinated. That certificate has to be displayed in their taxis or auto rickshaw.